Please make sure you wash them properly.
You know me.
Wash them properly.
Ayi mzala noma kuthiwa ikudliswa.
Ngani kahle?
Lokhu kudliswa kwakho sokuphambili.
Ngani?
Ungathani? Wathi isiqoqo sikaMampala. Hayi. Mzala ungakuvumeli khonokho. Ungakuvumeli. Kusasa ngiyahamba lawe ukuye ehlanziswa kumbe uye 212. Lo sisidliswa straight less.
Asosidliswa kaza nyabe mpong. Anyapho uncedisana naye.
Uncedisana la ukuthini? Yena chayi makeup. Uyagula. Uzithwele.
Hayi mzawami.
Vele yena le type yokuthini izithwele.
Mzawami ngiyacela sesin.
Woman, can you be quiet? Can you keep quiet?
Mina kunje.
No, can you be quiet?
No, please.
What is wrong with you?
No, please.
Uthi okurongo mina. Wena okurongo ngawe kuyini?
Are you telling me it's wrong to be loved? Is that what you're saying?
Uthi to be loved umzala wami ewathi
Yes, my husband is capable.
To be loved umzala wami ewacha wona uhlezi.
Ngiyacela iphisi.
What is wrong with that?
Ngiyacela
iphisi mzawami.
iphisi yani.
Ngiyacela uyazi ukuthi ushort temper. So ezinye nje ukukhuluma mzawami.
Hayi. Ungavumeli umoya wona lo.
Listen very careful. My husband is capable of washing my clothes for me. Do you understand it? Do you get it?
Hayi. Mina ngisoze
ngivumele. Impahla lezi sivumele ngiyamwatshela zona lezi kuphela. Then ezinye the rest ngiyabe wash.
Mzala izinto zomuntu ongunkosikazi azibanjwa. Umfazi izigqoko zakho uyaziwatshela.
What are you teaching? Keep quiet.
Namhlanje ngila.
Hayi mzawami.
You see, I will kill her.
Please.
You have to control her, mold her.
No, okay, please.
What is wrong with this skinless woman?
Kusendlini
No, I don't like it.
Ngiyacela uhlale phansi.
Do you know how much that is?
Sorry.
Do you know how much it is?
I'm sorry, ngiyakwazi. Sorry.
What is wrong with her?
Sorry, angazi ukungena kwini. I'm sorry.
See what she's done to me.
Sorry. Angazi la ukuthi.
Make sure we don't stay in the same room, or we don't meet,
Asibuyele.
or else
Asibuyele.
she'll meet her ancestors. I tell you.
No, please.
I will strangle her.
Please, understand.
What is wrong? Is she bewitched or what?
Kaphilanga vele mzamini ngqondo la. Ngiyakwazi khona ukunansi lokho izinto.
I hate her, you know it.
Ngiyakwazi.
I like it here. I love the comfortability of everything, but I hate the people around.
But kusendlini yakhe into emele siyenze kumele simove.
No, I hate
Ngoba
it.
asoze sithole peace.
No.
Lahlala ungena peace lapha endlini.
This house is full of skinless people, dwarfs, everything. What is wrong with you?
No, but ungabathethisi abantu abathethisa emhlabeni. Ngasuthi dwarfs, skinless people. Usiwathethisa ungabathethisa. Asenze sikwenzayo.
No, I'm not insulting anyone. I'm just saying everything as it is. It's how it is. Am I wrong? If she's skinless, she's skinless. And even the brain is brainless. She has no brain. It's just a head with no brain.
Usho ukuthi ipeace njengoba sihlezi lapha usisava sivakatshini. Asibe le peace sihlale size sibuye lapha esibuye lapha.